Good morning, children. So, children, today we are going to do multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions is very easy if you have understood bringing down the fraction to the lowest term by cancellation method, which I have taught you earlier in my previous video. So, let's begin. Children, if you see these fractions, now tell me that number on the top is known as numerator and the number at the bottom is known as denominator. Okay, and you know one thing, numerators are friends and denominators are best friends. You know, best friends क्या एक दूसरे को कभी cancel करते हैं? No, best friends never cancel each other. Similar manner, numerator will never cancel numerator and denominator will never cancel denominator. Okay, numerator can cancel any of the denominator and denominator can cancel any of the numerator. So besties कौन कौन से हैं? numerator, denominator. Now if you see this question, in this if I say 11 and 22, they have common factor 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. So am I correct? Tell me, have I done the correct thing? क्यों? रूल कट तो रहा है, कैंसिल तो हो रहा है 11 और 22. No. Why? These two are denominators, so they never cancel each other. तो ये तो हो गया भाई wrong. 0 marks. Now let's begin. If you see this question, now here what is given? Oh, this is the whole number. This is not a fraction. Then do you know whole number is also a fraction with hidden denominator 1. इसका जो denominator 1 है that is hidden somewhere. Okay, now I will check both the numerators. 2 and 3 में कोई common factor है? No. 2 और 1 से तो देखते ही नहीं. 5 और 3 में कोई common factor है? No. 5 and 1? No. So what will I do? I will multiply both the numerators. हमने दोनों को multiply किया. 5 2s are 10. And both the denominators, 3 1s are 3. And then what kind of fraction is this? Here numerator is greater than the denominator. Upper value is more. So it is improper fraction. And remember, we never give our answers in improper fraction. So we will not give answer 10 by 3, but we will change 10 by 3 into mixed fraction. So 3 3s are 9. We will write like this, 3 whole 1 by 3. Clear? This number goes in whole number part, remainder comes in numerator and denominator remains the same. So this way you will change improper fraction to mixed fraction. Clear? Now see this question. Here I have mixed fraction. तो mixed fraction क्या मैं ऐसे ही cancel कर दूँ? No. We cannot cancel like this. First, I have to change this mixed fraction into improper. How? इन दोनों को multiply करते हैं और फिर इसको add करते हैं. 3 1s are 3 plus 2. That is 5 upon 3 and this whole number has a hidden denominator 1. Now children, you will see the common factor. 5 and 3 में कोई common factor है? No. 5 and 1 में कोई common factor है? No. 3 and 9, any common factor? Any number? Yes. In 3's table 9 comes na? So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. That means 5 upon 1 and 3 upon 1. We will write leftover numbers here. Clear? Now, we will multiply numerator with numerator. 5 3s are 15 and denominator with denominator. 1 1s are 1. And you know, we don't write 1 as denominator. Why? Because as I told you, 1 is the hidden denominator. So we don't write 1 as the denominator. We will write only 15. We will write only 15. Clear? Now children, see this question. Okay. In this question, we will see first 24. So 24 को किससे देखेंगे? 25 and 36 से, denominators से. 24 और 25 में कोई common factor है? No. Now children, 24 and 36 can be cancelled by 2, can be cancelled by 3, can be cancelled by 4, can be cancelled by 6, can be cancelled by 12. देखो सबकी टेबल में ये नंबर्स आते हैं. Okay, but we always try to take the biggest common factor. In that way the probability of doing mistake reduces. So I will do with 12. For this you have to know the tables. 12 2s are 24 and 12 3s are 36. Clear? And children, one more thing. We don't do in your stage, this is a learning stage. So in your class we don't do all the cancellation in one go. But we do one cancellation in one go and then we write the leftover numbers to check further cancellation. Clear? Now 2 and 25, anything is getting cancelled? No. 2 and 3, anything is getting cancelled? No. Now 25 and 35, do I have any common factor? Any number in which table 25 and 35 comes? Yes, 5's table. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. Now again I will write the leftover. 2 by 5, 7 by 3. Again you will check, do I have any common factor? 2 by 5, 2 by 3? No. 7 by 5, 7 by 3? No. Then I will multiply numerator with numerator. 7 2s are 14. Denominator with denominator. 5 3s are 15. Now check what kind of fraction is this. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. That means proper fraction. So this will be your final answer. Clear? Now children, see this question. Here I have both mixed fractions. So what I told you, first we will change mixed fraction into improper. How? 8 7s are 56 plus 7 63 upon 8. 7 9s are 63 plus 1 64 upon 8 9. This way you will change into improper fraction. Now start finding the common factors. 63 and 8, nothing is common. 63 and 9, yes. In 9's table 63 come. 9 1s are 9, 7 9s are 63. Now I will write the leftover here. 7 by 8 multiplied by 64 by 1. Then again you will find 8 1s are 8, 8 8s are 64. You will get 7 by 1, 8 by 1, which will become 7 8s are 56 by 1. As I told you, we don't write 1. As it is a hidden denominator, we will write 56. Now children, see this question. In this question, I have more than 2 fractions. So first we will change into improper. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. 3 2s are 6 7 8 by 3. 4 3s are 12, 13 14 15 by 4. Now we will start with 3. Now 3 is getting cancelled with 2? No. 3 is getting cancelled with 3? Yes. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now I will write my leftover. 1 by 2, 8 by 1, 15 by 4. Now I will find, see children, this 8 can be cancelled by this 2 also. This 8 can be cancelled by this 4 also. Clear? So it's not so ki your 3 is written here, so you cannot cancel here. You can cancel with any of the denominators. Out of all 3, you can cancel with any of the denominator if cancellation is possible. Clear? So I will do with this. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. 1 by 2, 2 by 1, 15 by 1. Now if again you will check any cancellation is possible. Yes, this 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. We have one common factor. Now I will write leftover. So it is 15 upon 1. That is 15. Clear? I hope now this is clear to you. Now children, one more thing. If my answer is coming like this, if my answer is coming like this, you know what this answer is showing? This answer is showing that I have left or I have missed some cancellation. In case if you are getting this kind of answer, you just see the answer. Any cancellation is possible in this? Yes, here the cancellation is possible. That means you have missed any cancellation. So here you can do the cancellation. 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63. You will give your answer in lowest term. The answer will always come in the lowest term. And if it is not coming in the lowest term, that means you have missed some calculation. Clear? Now children, I hope you have understood the multiplication of fractions and you can do it. So, bye bye. Happy learning.